and welcome to Geometry Soup Editor. Let's start with creating a new keyframe by pressing F button to enter keyframe editing mode and N button to create a new keyframe. Now let's draw a triangle. Press T to enter triangle insertion mode, left click to start drawing triangle, another left click to set second vertex, and finish with third left click. Make another keyframe by pressing F and N, and let's move the triangle to new position. Press S to enter selection mode, hover the mouse over triangle, and drag it with keeping left button clicked. Release. You can drag also separate vertices. In the new keyframe, let's insert a circle. Press C to draw circle, left click to set center, and finish with another left click. In selection mode, hover over the center and let's change color to blue by pressing 3 button. Note how primitive is selected only when mouse is above the circle, not inside or outside. We can transform our triangle in this keyframe as well by left clicking on it to select and using arrow keys to move, hold Ctrl to scale, or scale uniformly by pressing plus or minus, 0 to reset scale, hold Shift and left and use left right arrows to rotate. We can specify colors for separate vertices, and the color inside triangle will be smoothly interpolated. For example, let's change this vertex to red. And save this state by creating new keyframe by pressing F and N. So it's time to draw a line. Press L to enter line insertion mode, left click to start the line, left click to set new point, another point, and finish with right click. All hotkeys we use to transform the triangle we can use directly to transform the viewport of our editor. For example, move up or down, rotate, scale. In the next keyframe we will make our line smooth. Oh, we accidentally started to inserting a new line. Let's do it. Okay, so in selection mode, hover over the vertex, press right key of the mouse and drag. This way you can specify the handle for each vertex for this Bezier curve. So let's make it very smooth. And let's drag the circle to new position as well. And change the radius by also controlling the handle of the circle by right clicking with the mouse and dragging. Okay, let's move to the new keyframe. Let's remove this undesired line by left clicking on it to select and pressing delete. Also, I would like to change the color of the triangle to new one, and of the circle and of the triangle as well. And we can also modify our curve and save the state by creating new keyframe. So it's time to play our animation by entering keyframe editing mode by pressing F and pressing P to play. We can always return to previous keyframe by entering keyframe editing mode and using left and right arrows to switch between keyframe and delete this undesired line by entering selection mode, selecting it and deleting. So if you now play the animation, it will not appear for a moment of the keyframe it was present in. We could also discard this line we accidentally started drawing by pressing Escape key. Keyframes can also be deleted. For example, this intermediate state of the triangle by pressing Delete key in keyframe editing mode. And the current state can be saved to disk using Ctrl S hotkey to save in SVG file format. Also note that all the geometry for Bezier curves and circles is generated on fly using Geometry Shader. Thank you for your attention.